C programming serves as the foundation for understanding operating systems, memory management, and other high-level languages. It requires minimal tools, just a text editor and compiler. For this series, we'll use Cygwin with GCCC. The structure of a C program is quite simple. Every program starts with a main function. Cygwin provides a Linux-like environment on Windows. The installation process involves a few steps. First, download the setup executable from cygwin.com. Next, select the GCC core compiler in the Devel category during installation. Then, add Cygwin's bin directory to your system path. Finally, verify the setup by running GCC commands in the Cygwin terminal. Let's dive into the core programming concepts. The structure of a C program includes essential components like the main function, include directives, and other functions. Here's an example of a simple Hello World program. Hash include main. Comments in C can be multi-line using OI or single line using // brief note. Be cautious of common errors like unbalanced / markers. For output formatting, we use the printf function to display text. It supports various escape sequences such as EN for new lines, T for tab spacing, for backslashes, and for quotes. Let's dive into some practical examples. For basic output, you can use printf, name, alexton quote, learn by doing. For a calendar layout, try this, printf, sonnet monet tue, and ones t tuv t3. And for directory paths, you can write printf, path, c cygwin bin. Moving on to debugging essentials. Common beginner errors include missing semicolons, unmatched braces, incorrect hash, include directives, and invalid escape sequences. When debugging, always address the first error first. Use printf statements to trace execution and make sure to verify compiler messages carefully. Here are the key takeaways. C provides low-level control with simple syntax. Proper environment setup is crucial. Understanding the basic structure enables building complex programs. And remember, debugging is a skill that's developed through practice. For your next steps, practice writing simple programs. Experiment with different escape sequences, and attempt the chapter challenges, like creating a diamond pattern output, displaying the current month calendar, and showing a directory path.